Hello friends, good afternoon and welcome to the EduSat Network. Our topic of discussion today is part of our ongoing series on marketing management. And friends, today we specifically are going to talk about in our lecture on types of products. And friends, to throw more light on this idea and to take this series further, we have with us in our studio same subject expert Dr. Subhash Kakkar, Director of a very well-known institute of Delhi. And I'd also like to share with you that sir has been associated with our EduSat network for quite some time, and he has been responsible and has been giving very interesting and informative lectures. So friends, with this very brief introduction, I welcome sir to the studio. So thank you so much for coming.
Thank you and welcome viewers to today's lecture. The topic for today's lecture is types of products, and this is part of the series on marketing management. Marketing management is the main subject on which we are carrying out different lectures, and today is also part of that series. Types of products, unless we know the products and the types of products to be handled by the marketing function, the study will remain incomplete. Under this particular topic, we will discuss the products. Maybe these are manufactured products or the products involved in service industry. Then we will also talk about the experiences. We buy products, we buy services, and we buy experiences. All these things we are going to discuss today. Product, services, and branding, and what is the strategy to be adopted to market these items in the market and to satisfy the customers to the best possible extent. What is a product? If it is manufactured product, it is tangible in nature. We can see the product, we can handle the product, and if it is service industry, then it is intangible. We cannot see the product. And this definition is with respect to a product being manufactured. And we will talk about product, services, and experiences. Product is anything that can be offered in a market for attention, acquisition, use, or consumption, and might satisfy a need or want. And the product can be a soap, toothpaste. So, I will repeat, product is anything that can be offered in a market for attention, acquisition, use, or consumption that might satisfy a need or want. So, examples of product are so many: soap, toothpaste, automobile, cars, cameras, shirts, etc. Product, services, and experiences. Service, on the other hand, is a form of product that consists of activities, benefits, or satisfactions offered for sale that are essentially intangible and do not result in a ownership. And the service and examples are banking service, hospitality. In banks, they also provide products to the customers, and their products are in the form of, say, they are giving different types of loans, housing loans, car loans, personal loans. These are the products they are selling. And similarly, hospitality, hotel industry, they are also providing services to the customers. And these services, we cannot see them, we cannot store them, and these are intangible in nature. Now, let us throw some light on manufactured products as well as on products related to service industry. No industry, no manufacturing industry is possible without some part of service involved in it. Manufacturing industry manufacture products, and these products are also combined with some service. Say, if we talk about automobile, the cars are the products which the automobile factory is manufacturing, and it has some portion of service also attached to it. the maintenance part of the car or automobiles is the service part. If we talk of say 95% of the business of car manufacturer is the manufacturing of cars, but 5 to 10% is also service. Similarly, if we talk about hotel industry, which is a service industry basically, they are providing services to the customers, but they involve some manufacturing of products also, like they manufacture food. So, 95% operation of service industry is purely service industry, but 5 to 10% of manufacturing is also attached to service industry. We cannot talk of purely service industry or pure manufacturing industry. So, manufacturing industry also involves some portion of service industry, and a service industry involves some portion of manufacturing, but products are tangible when we talk of manufacturing industry, intangible when we talk of service industry. So, doctor's examination is a product in the form of services, and similarly legal advice given by advocates, it is also a service in the service industry. Products, services and experiences. Experiences represent what buying the product or service will do for the customer, like water games are available. They are not providing any service, they are not giving any manufactured product to the customers, but they are giving some sort of satisfaction to the customers. If we go to water games, we enjoy the water games and we get a good experience out of playing water games. If we go to gym, we do some exercise and we get some satisfaction. These are the experiences given by the products. We have already talked about products, we have already talked about services, and now we are talking about experiences. Horse ride again is not a form of service, it is form of experiences. So, this is also one of the products which is being sold by the companies. Levels of products and services. Core benefits, actual product, augmented product, and what is a product then? Core benefits represent what the buyer is really looking for in a product. Core benefits represent what the buyer is really buying. Actual product represents the design, brand, name and packaging that delivers a core benefit to the customer. When we talk of core benefit to the customer, we talk about its design, its brand, its name and the packaging involved in the product. All these four things give benefits to the customer, and these are levels of product and services. Augmented product represents additional features or services or benefits of the actual product. On one side we have a main benefit coming out of the product, then also there are related benefits which come out of the product, and some services also come out of the product. These are called augmented product, represents additional services or benefits of the actual product. Consumer products are there, industrial products are there, and these we are talking about product services classifications. So, there are two types of products, consumer products and the industrial products. When we talk of consumer products, these are the products which are consumed by individual customers, and industrial products are those kind of products which further produce other products which are used by the customers. Industry use certain products and those are called industrial products. Consumer products are products and services for personal consumption of the customer. On the other hand, industrial products are there to produce products for consumers. classified by how consumers buy them, convenience products and shopping products, specialty products and on-sort products. So, we are discussing now consumer products, which are products and services for personal consumption, and these are classified by how consumers buy them. There are 4 classifications: convenience products, shopping products, specialty products, on-sort products. And we are talking about products and service classifications. Again, what is a product? Convenience products are consumer products and services that the customer usually buys frequently, immediately, and with a minimum comparison and buying effort. Now, if we want to have salt, common salt, we will not devote much time on deciding whether to buy the product or not. Then we will not talk about its price also. We will not try to find out the cheapest price for the common salt. We require it, we go to the market, we ask the price and buy it. And these are called the convenience products. And these products are consumer products and services that the customer usually buys frequently, immediately, and with a minimum comparison with buying effort. Newspaper like. We like a newspaper and we buy it without comparing the prices with other available products. One kind of newspaper we like it and we start buying it. Candy, there is no question in negotiating its price and deciding whether to buy it or not. We like it and we buy it. Fast food, similarly, fast food also available on a fixed price. We ask for it, we buy it and we consume it, and these are called convenience products, and we are discussing it with respect to product, services, classifications. Again we will discuss what is a product. Shopping products are consumer products and services that the consumer compares carefully on suitability, quality, price and style. Now we are talking about shopping products. These are classified as, and there are 4 things related to shopping products. We talk about the suitability of shopping products. We talk of quality of shopping products. We also compare the price of the shopping product and the style we discuss while buying the shopping product. We are going to shop for it. The meaning of shop for it, we will look for price, we look for the quality, and we look for its suitability, and we also look for its style. Like furniture, furniture is one of the shopping products, and cars etc. are also shopping products, and these we do not buy as impulse purchasing. We take time to decide about the car which we are going to buy. We decide about the furniture what we are going to buy. And appliances, again we discuss, we decide, we take time on the decision regarding the appliances which we use. Maybe these are used to be in the kitchen etc. And we are discussing product, service classifications. Again, what is a product then? Specialty products are consumer products and services with unique characteristics or brand, identification for which a significant group of buyers is willing to make a special purchase effort. Specialty products are unique in nature and unique characteristics they possess. They also possess brand identification, and a significant group of buyers is willing to make a special purchase effort to have these kind of products. Medical services, these are specialty products, and designer clothes are also specialty products. These are special in nature and designed for the consumer, and because of their special nature, we call them specialty products. High-end electronics, which are consumed by only few people, even the designer clothes are also used by few people, and these are called specialty products. Product and service classifications we are discussing. What is a product then? Unsought products. Now, the third classification is unsought products, and these products are consumer products that the consumer does not know about or knows about, but does not normally think of buying. These are unsought products. They are not sought on regular basis. They are not required or bought on regular basis. These are special type of products which are called unsought products, and these products are used by consumers. Maybe they do not know about these products, and even if they know about these products, they normally do not decide to buy them. Life insurance is a product in services which we normally do not buy it. Maybe we do not know about it. Even if we know, unless somebody chases us, we do not buy it. Funeral services, again this is kind of a service provided. We do not normally buy it. These are bought only when these are required, and maybe we do not know where exactly to buy these unless there is a requirement, and when the requirement is there, we inquire about it, where these are available, and we do not even negotiate for it. We buy the services and then get the satisfaction out of it. Blood donations are also not required on regular basis. Whenever these are required, we inquire about it, we get it, and then we get satisfaction, and these are called unsought products, and these products are consumer products that the consumer does not know about or knows about, but does not normally think of buying it. Again, then what is a product? Now, we will talk about industrial products. These products are products purchased for further processing for use in conducting a business. Now, suppose we are in a manufacturing industry. We are manufacturing a certain product. For producing that product, we require raw material, semi-finished product, and some accessories. These products, when assembled, reprocessed, they become part of a new product which is liked by the customers. Raw materials, semi-finished products and accessories are industrial products used by industry only, not by the consumer, but the consumer uses the final product provided by the industry using the industrial products. Classified by the purpose for which the product is purchased. Again, industrial products are classified, and these are based on the use of the product for which it is purchased. These can be materials and parts of the main product. Material may be in the form of raw material, semi-finished products, and the spare parts which are used in the main product. Capital is also one of the products required for any industry. Raw materials, as we have already discussed, is required for the manufacturing industry, and these we are discussing product and service classifications. Again, what is a product? Materials and parts include raw materials and manufactured materials and parts usually sold directly to industrial users. We have talked about raw material, semi-finished products and parts, etc. Parts can be spare parts or can be accessories. Wheat, lumber and iron, etc. And these are industrial parts. Cement is also industrial part. We are discussing product and service classifications. Then what is a product? Capital items are industrial products that aid to the buyer's production or operations, and these are buildings, these are elevators used in buildings and the computers, and these items are used which help the consumers maybe carrying out their business or maybe carrying out their day-to-day operations. So, these are capital items and capital products, buildings, elevators, computers, etc. Product and services classifications. Then what is a product? Now, we will talk about organizations, persons, places and ideas behind the products. Organization marketing consists of activities undertaken to create, maintain or change attitudes and behavior of target consumers. Now, we are talking about organizations and the organization marketing, which consists of activities which are undertaken to create, maintain or change attitudes and behavior of only target customers, target consumers toward an organization. We are again discussing only organizations, persons, places and ideas. Person marketing consists of activities undertaken to create, maintain or change attitudes and behavior of target consumers toward particular people. The previous discussion was particular consumer, and now this is with respect to particular people. What is a product then? Place marketing consists of activities undertaken to create, maintain or change attitudes and behavior of target consumers towards particular places. Now, these are with respect to particular place. We are talking about the target consumers with respect to particular place. Now, the places and the place marketing consists of activities undertaken to create, maintain or change attitudes and behavior of target consumers toward particular places. Example is tourism, and these we are discussing organizations, persons, places and ideas. Social marketing is the use of commercial marketing concepts and tools in programs designed to influence individuals' behavior to improve their well-being and that society. This can be public health campaign, this can be tourism, and this we are discussing organizations, persons, places and ideas. Now, we will talk about product and service decisions. Product attributes, branding, packaging, labeling, product support services. These are 5 things which are very important when we are discussing a product. What are the attributes attached to the product which are very essential? Without discussing the attributes and the features attached to the product sale cannot be complete. then the brand attached to the product is also very important. Packaging, whether it is aesthetically good, appealing, if it is so, only then the customer will like to buy it. The packaging should be consistent with the product which is being packed, and the labeling used, product support services which are attached to the product, maybe in the form of after sales service, which are very important, which help in selling the product. We are discussing now individual product and service decisions. Product attributes are the benefits of the product or service. This can be quality, this can be features and style and design. When we talk of quality, quality is nothing but the degree of excellence which a product or service provides to the customer, and this is one attribute which is given a great importance by the customers while taking a decision on purchasing the item. Features and attributes which are available from the product or services. Style of the product and design of the product is also very important. So, product or attributes are the benefits of the product or service. The quality, features, style and design are the main attributes which are given due consideration while buying a product by the customers. Now, we are talking about individual product and service decisions. Quality in terms of the product or service is the lack of defects. If the product is free from defects, we say that it is having good quality. If defects are present in the product, we say that it is of bad quality. So, quality is a feature which is liked by the customers. So, I have already explained the degree of excellence which a product provides to the customer is its quality. Quality in terms of the customer is the value and satisfaction provided by the product or service, and some customers define the quality as the value for money what they get on purchasing a product. They are weighing the benefits which they are getting on buying a product. So, they give due consideration to the value for money. They also give consideration to the quality of the product. We are discussing individual product and service decisions. Product quality includes level and consistency. Quality level is a level of quality that supports the product's positioning. Performance quality is the ability of a product to perform its functions, and this we are discussing individual product and service decision. There are two things which are very important and which are to be understood carefully. The first one is quality level, and the quality level is the level of quality that supports the product's positioning, and the second one is the performance quality, and it is the ability of a product and then to perform its functions. Quality consistency is also very important. It is the freedom from defects and the delivering of a targeted level of performance. We need trouble-free performance from a product, and we also know that this is only possible if the product is free from defects. When a product is free from defects, it is of good quality and it has consistent quality. So, quality consistency is the freedom from defects and the delivering of a targeted level of performance, and we are discussing individual product service decisions. Under this, product features are a competitive tool for differentiating a product from competitors' products. Normally, manufacturers provide some features onto their products so that their products are differentiated from the competitors' products. And these unique features put a pressure on the mind of the consumers to buy a particular product with these additional features. So, introduction of these new features, which are unique in nature, which are not present in the products of the competitors, force the customer to buy this particular product. So, product features are assessed based on the value the customer versus the cost to the company. Here again, the benefits with respect to the cost the customers are going to pay for a product is seen by the customers before taking a decision on buying the product. This we are discussing individual product service decisions. Individual product and service decisions, product style and design add value to customer value. Style describes the appearance of the product, and design contributes to a product's usefulness as well as to its looks. There are two important factors. One is the style, which improves the appearance of the product. Other is the design, which improves the usefulness of the product to the users, and it also improves the aesthetic value of the product. Individual product and service decisions. Brand is a name, term, sign or design. Again I will repeat, brand is a name, term, sign or design, or a combination of these that identifies the maker or seller of a product or service. Brand will tell us who is the manufacturer. If the manufacturer has a good name in the market, its products with that particular brand name will be sold and the customers will buy them. Product and service decisions. Consumer benefits now. Quality, consistency, and these are two benefits which the customers like to have in the products. One is the quality and then consistency in the quality. Seller benefits are segmentation, communicate product features. What do the sellers do? What the marketing people do? They do the segmentation of the consumers, maybe based on their education, maybe based on the place to which they belong, and maybe based on whether they live in urban area or rural area, whether they are young, whether they are old, whether they are middle aged. So, segmentation is done by the sellers, and then communication regarding the benefits which the product is going to provide is there. This is individual product and service decisions. Packaging. Packaging involves designing and producing the container or wrapper for a product. With the usual benefits a packaging gives to the customer, it should also have aesthetics attached to the wrappers, aesthetics attached to the packaging. Label identifies the product or brand, describes attributes and provides promotion. On the labels we provide the attributes which the product is going to give the customers, and the brand name is also specified on the labels. The company which is manufacturing the product is also mentioned. The company which is marketing the product is also mentioned on the label. So, these we are discussing individual product and service decisions. Product support services augment actual products. if the support services are really very good, these services augment the sales of the product, rather force the consumers to buy this particular product. Consumers like to have good after sales services from the products what they are buying. So, product support services augment actual products companies most continually. Assess the value of current services to obtain for new ones. I will repeat it, assess the value of current services to obtain ideas for new ones. So, the current position, current condition of sales of a product must be analyzed, and we should assess the value of current service to obtain ideas for new ones. New products are being introduced, current sales, current ideas be analyzed so that we can have new ideas in the new products. Assess the cost of providing these services, and then develop a package of services to satisfy customers and provide profit to the company. Third point clearly shows that we must know the present level of services being provided, and we must know the cost of providing additional services or the changed services to the customers, and then we have to develop such a service package so that both customers are benefited and the company is also benefited. We are discussing individual product and service decisions. Product line decisions. Product line is a group of products that are closely related because they function in a similar manner or sold to the same customer. Groups are marketed through the same types of outlets or fall within a given price ranges. Now, we are talking about the product lines. The company chooses a particular product line. A manufacturer may decide to go in for cars. The entire range of cars which is being manufactured by a particular manufacturer is known as product line the company is adopting. So, the cars can be small cars, premium products, luxury cars, sports cars, and similarly, if a company is in the business of manufacturing trucks, and different sized trucks can be part of the product line. Product line is only trucks, and then different types of trucks, different sizes of products, and at different prices of products, and this is called the product line. Product line decisions. Product line length is the number of items in the product line. Line stretching, line filling, and we will again discuss line stretching. We are producing a number of say cars, we can increase this line by adding new designs of cars having new length and width, maybe new or different capacity of the car. Different capacity in the sense, maybe it is 800 cc, 1000 cc, 1200 cc and 1600 and maybe 2000, and we can have new products introduced in the product line. And line filling also, if there is a gap, a product is not available between two products, a new product can be added at that slot. Product line decisions. Product line stretching is when a company lengthens its product line beyond its current range. Company is operating at a current range and it extends the product line by introducing some additional products. So, it can be stretched downward, it can be stretched upward. Downward means lower range or lower capacity of the product is being introduced, upward higher capacity of the products are being introduced, and combination of both can also be, means downward as well as upward, means lower capacity products and the higher capacity products are introduced, and which is the combination of both, and this we are talking about product line stretching under the product line decisions. Product line decisions, downward product line stretching is used by companies at the upper end of the market to plug a market hole or respond to a competitor's attack. Competitor has introduced a new product. To counteract the reaction of the competitor, we introduce and we stretch our product line, and this downward product line stretching is used by companies at the upper end of the market to plug a market hole or respond to a competitor's attack. Market hole is where is a gap between two products, there is a gap, a new product can be introduced to fill up that gap. On the other hand, upward product line stretching is by companies at the lower end of the market to add prestige to their current products and product line decisions. Combination line stretching is used by companies in the middle range of the market to achieve both goals of upward and downward line stretching. Combination means we try to have both upward and downward line stretching. Product line decisions, product line filling occurs when companies add more items within the present range of line, more profits, satisfying dealers and excess capacity. When there are reasons to fill up the existing product line, there are gaps in the product line which can be filled up by introducing new products, and maybe these are to satisfy dealers, maybe to earn more profits, and we have excess capacity available, then product line filling occurs. And maybe plugging holes to fend off competitors. To keep away the competitors, we fill up the line which is existing. Product mix decisions. Product mix consists of all the products and items that a particular seller offers for sale. Width, we talk about the width, we talk about the length, we talk about the depth of the market in which we are working, in which we are operating, and the consistency is to be kept in mind in under all the conditions. Product mix width. Now, we will talk about specially product mix width, and it is the number of different product lines our company carries. Product mix length is the total number of items that company carries within the product lines. Now, we are discussing product line decisions. Product line depth is the number of versions offered by each product in the line. An automobile car, maybe it is petrol operated, maybe it is diesel operated, maybe it is CNG operated. So, these are product lines which denote the depth of the line. Consistency on the other hand is how closely the various product lines are in end use, production requirements or distribution channels. I will repeat, consistency is how closely the various product lines are in end use, production requirements or distribution channels. Branding strategy now. We will throw some light on the branding strategy also when we are discussing types of products. Building strong brands. Brand represents the consumer's perceptions and feelings about a product and its performance. It is a company's promise to deliver a specific set of features, benefits, services, and experiences consistently to the buyers. Here we are selling a promise. USP we have converted from unique selling propositions to unique selling promise when we have the brand in mind. A particular brand tells about the company's strengths in providing features, providing benefits, providing services and experiences, and that too consistently. Brand equity is the positive differential effect that knowing the brand name has on customer response to the product or service. Beliefs and value. Brand equity provides competitive advantage with respect to consumer awareness and loyalty, with respect to beliefs and values and benefits. Three things are important when we talk about brand equity. These are beliefs and value, benefits and consumer awareness and loyalty. Customer equity is the value of the customer, relationships that the brand creates. Brand valuation is the process of estimating the total financial value of the brand. Brand now strategy decisions include brand positioning, brand name selection and brand sponsorship. Brand development, these are under brand equity. Now brand positioning. Brand strategy decisions include product attributes, features, product benefits, product beliefs and value, desirable qualities, suggests benefits and qualities, easy to pronounce, recognize and remember. This we are talking about the brand. It must be easy to pronounce also. Distinctive, unique in nature and extendable also. And it should be translated for the global economy. Brand name selection. Manufacturer's brand, private brand, licensed brand and co-brand. We are talking about brand sponsorship. Brand sponsorship. Private brand provides retailers with advantages, product mix control, slotting fees for manufacturers' brands, higher margins and exclusivity. Line extensions, brand extensions, multi-brands, new brands, these are brand developments. Line extensions occur when a company extends existing brand names to new forms, colors, sizes, ingredients or flavors of an existing product category. Brand extensions extend a brand name to a new or modified product in a new category. These are brand development. Multi-brands are additional brands in the same category. New brands are used when existing brands are inappropriate for new products in new product categories or markets. This we are discussing brand development. So, we have discussed brands strategy and now we will discuss building strong brands, continuous brand communication, and with this we can build strong brands. Continuous brand communication also will build strong brands, and the brand audits will try to improve the brand quality. Managing brands, this is part of managing brand. Continuous brand communication, customer centered training and brand audits is part of managing brands. Types of service industries now. We have talked about manufactured products, now we will discuss service industry also. Government provides service to the customers. Private not for profit organizations, no profit, no loss, and business services. Nature and characteristics of a service. These are particularly intangible. We cannot see a service. Inseparability, variability, perishability, and what is intangibility? This refers to the fact that services cannot be seen, tasted, felt, heard or smelled before they are purchased. Inseparability refers to the fact that services cannot be separated from their providers because the providers provide the services. Nature and characteristics of a service industry or a service. Variability refers to the fact that service quality depends on who provides it as well as when, where and how it is provided. Perishability refers to the fact that services cannot be stored for later sale or use. Marketing strategies for service firms. Now, we will discuss the strategies being adopted by service organizations. In addition to traditional marketing strategies, service firms often require additional strategies, and these are service profit chain, internal marketing, interactive marketing, and marketing strategies for service firms. Service profit chain links service firm profits with employee and customer satisfaction. Internal service quality. Under this industry, under service industry, with respect to customer and with respect to provider, we have agreements like SLAs, service level agreements. What is the level of service which the provider is going to provide to the customer? Customer can also be in the form of a firm who is dealing with service provider, which is also in the form of a firm. SLAs are decided and negotiated. So, minimum level of SLA is to be maintained while providing a service to the customer. So, internal service quality, satisfied and productive service employees, greater service value, satisfied and loyal customers, what we want from the service industry, healthy service profits and growth. Marketing strategies for service firms. Internal marketing means that the service firm must orient and motivate its customer, contact, employees and supporting service people to work as a team to provide customer satisfaction. In the service industry, customer gets in touch with the provider and the satisfaction of the customer is of vital importance. As I have already said, through SLAs, we provide the services to the customers. Internal marketing means that the service firm must orient and motivate its customer contact, employees and supporting service people to work as a team to provide customer satisfaction. Internal marketing must precede external marketing. Marketing strategies for service industry. Interactive marketing means that service quality depends heavily on the quality of the buyer-seller interaction during the service encounter. I said customer is directly in touch with the service provider, and the quality of service will improve if there is mutual understanding between the two. So, service differentiation, service quality, service productivity. We are discussing service marketing and marketing strategies for service firms. Managing service differentiation creates a competitive advantage from the offer, delivery and image of the service. This offer can include distinctive features, and delivery can include more able and reliable customer contact people and environment or process. So, today viewers, we learned the different types of products which are available in market, and we also studied the different strategies for different types of products. Maybe these are industrial products, maybe these are consumer products. We differentiated manufactured products from the products provided by the service industry. We also had the strategies which should be applicable. I hope I was able to clear lot many things from the minds of the viewers. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. The lecture was certainly very informative and useful, and helped to enrich our ongoing series, as we have already informed our viewers on marketing management. So friends, this is just to let you know that we are going to be having more lecture as part of this series, and then again we must thank sir before we sign out. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you viewers. Have a wonderful day ahead.